we are going to discuss the meter in circuits. Meter in circuits use a hydraulic machine, and meter in circuit works only the advanced stroke. During the reverse stroke, no machine worked. A construction of meter in circuits. The various components used in meter in circuits like reservoir used for store the fluid, pipe, hose pipe is used for transfer the fluid through the pipe to the cylinders, and prime mover is used. Prime mover rotates the pump, and pump is used for fluid suck from the reservoir. And pressure relief valve, this is pressure relief valve used for excess pressure removed from the circuits. And filter is used. Filter are used for filter the oil, unwanted and impurities removed from the oil. And DCB is used for control the direction, and flow control valve and check valve used to control the flow, and check valve used to check the flow of the fluid. And piston and cylinder is used. Piston work during the advanced stroke, and during the reverse stroke no work in meter in circuits. Now working principles. Here the fluid suck from the tank through the hose pipe with the help of pump rotates. During the suck, the pressure creates and pressurized fluid supply through the hose pipe. The excess pressure, when the excess pressure in the circuits, the pressure removed through the pressure relief valve. And required pressures fluids are supplied through the DCB valve with the check valve. When fluid enter in the cylinder and fill the cylinder, slowly the piston, the pressure created in the cylinders and piston force, and fluid force the pistons forward, and this fluid enter through the, we indicate this is the output. Fluid enter the through the output, and fluid fill the A side of the piston, A side of the cylinder, and piston A side of the cylinder, and force and pressure created, and piston slowly move from the backward to forward stop. And when the leakage oil or leakage oil of the cylinders, sometimes leakage the oil and came out this side to this side's fluid. The leakage oil is goes, the leakage oil return the dose pipe, and filter them the filter, and filter the filter, and filter supply them reservoir. This is a meter in circuit of speed control, and this circuit is meter no speed control. This is a meter in circuit, no speed control. Here the difference, piston moves backward. Here piston moves backward. When piston move backward, no speed control. When piston move forward, it is a work will be started. Achha. Okay, now we are going to discuss again meter out circuit. This is a meter in circuit, meter out circuit and meter in circuit. Main difference here, the check bulb and flow control bulb is placed. Check bulb and flow control bulb are placed the inlet pipe of the inlet pipe of the inlet pipe. Place the inlet pipe. Okay, and meter out circuit, check bulb and check bulbs and flow control bulbs place these sides where return side instead of return side here placed. Same check bulb and flow control bulb placed instead of placed these sides these pipes instead of meter in circuits. Okay.